Hello everyone, welcome to this AI image generation course. So in this video I will be teaching us on how to generate a hyper realistic image. Okay, ultra hyper realistic image you can use for your project. In case you are a graphic designer, you can use it for a client project. You can also use it for your personal project. Okay, especially if you are an upcoming graphic designer. These are some of the things or some of the resources that can help you in your journey. You can use it to build up your portfolio. All right, so the main focus of this video is on how to teach you how you can generate ultra hyper realistic image. Okay, you know, this era we are in a season whereby these things are some of the things on board now, AI images. So when you have access to these resources, your design project will not be stressful for you. Okay, so without wasting much time, please make sure you pay attention to everything I'm going to be teaching you on this video. It's very important, so that you can be able to achieve your the good results. Okay, because there are some of AI images out there that the moment you see the image, you can be able to tell that this image is AI. Okay, but there are some it is very difficult for you to be able to identify whether the image is AI or not. So that's what I'm going to teach you on this video. Make sure you pay attention to every details that I will be teaching on this video. Okay, now first of all, I'm going to show us some of the images that I'm talking about. These are, so as you can see, these are some of the images. Okay, you see, these are ultra hyper realistic image, is AI generation image. Okay, so the same thing with this. All these images you are seeing here, they are AI. Okay, so some of the things I will be teaching you on this video is how to generate this kind of image. Okay, this one you are seeing here is 100% AI image. Okay, all these images you are seeing, these are the images you can use for your project, whether for a client or for a personal project. Okay, all these are AI image generation. So without wasting much of our time, let's go straight to this video. Please make sure you pay attention. Okay, even this one is AI. Everything you are seeing, all the images you are seeing, okay, they are AI image. Now the first thing you are going to do is to open up your web browser. Open up your web browser. You can use any browser of your choice, whether Google Chrome or Opera Mini or other web browser. Okay, for the sake of this video, we are going to use Google Chrome browser. And the first thing you are going to do, you are going to type image fs, okay, and search it. Make sure you pay attention on the link you are going to click. This is the link you are going to click here, image fs. Okay, this very one. Make sure you pay attention. Okay, click it and it will open up this page here. Please pay attention to what I'm about to teach you here. As you can see, immediately we open up this website. It said image fs is not available in your country yet. Okay, it might be that your own can open directly. Okay, so the reason why I'm teaching you this is so that in case you encounter this kind of this kind of problem, okay, there's a way to go around it. All right, so that's what I'm going to teach you now, because this platform is not yet available in all country. There are some countries where it is available. There are some is not yet available. Okay, in case it's not available in your own country, there's a way to go around it. All right, so make sure you follow me carefully. And the next thing we are going to do, we are going to use a VPN, okay, to enter a country whereby this website is what is available. We are going to use a VPN, and the first thing you are going to do, open a new tab, search Chrome extension, okay, search it, then open Google extension, okay, this one here. Make sure you pay attention to the link you are going to click, okay. Make sure it's exactly this link here. Click it, then open it, and you are going to search for VPN. When you search this VPN, we are going to make use of this one here, free VPN for Chrome, okay. Please pay attention. We are using this one here. Click it. As you can see, I already installed the extension, the VPN extension, on my web browser. So let me remove it so that I can show you from afresh. As you can see, it said add to Chrome. Okay, you will click it. Immediately you see this pop-up message. Click add extension. All right, as you can see, it's already added to your web browser. Okay, now what you are going to do is go to your extension, okay, click it, and you are going to pin the VPN to your web browser so that you can always have access to it. All right, no need for you to be open up your Google settings. Just pin it to your web browser. Okay, now let's go back to the website. What you are going to do here, click the VPN, click it, okay, and click continue, click start. As you can see, the VPN is already open up, but there is a particular country we are going to use their IP. All right, there's a particular country, okay, and don't click this optimal location. As you can see, the location is showing here is Amsterdam, but that's not the country we are going to use. Click this one here. You are going to select this country, Singapore. That's the country we are going to use. This is the country I'll be using and it's working for me perfectly. Okay. Sorry. Click it. Make sure you select Singapore. Okay. We are using it for the sake of this video. I have been using it before and it is working fine. So click this place to connect. Okay. Immediately you click it, just wait for it to connect. All right. As you can see, we are already connected to the country called Singapore. Okay. Now, the next thing we are going to do is to refresh the web browser. Okay. Click this place to reload it. As you can see, it's still showing us the same thing. What you are in case you are seeing this message again, what you are going to do at this moment is to close the web browser totally. Just close it. Okay, close it and reopen it again. So immediately you reopen it, search for the website image fs and click. Let's click it, the website. All right, as you can see, the website is already loaded up. So this is what we are looking for. Okay, now the first thing we are going to do, we are going to write a prompt. There's what we call prompt. The prompt we are going to use to generate the kind of image we want. Okay, now let's say, for example, you are going to generate a image, a hyper-realistic image. I'm using, make sure you follow everything I'm showing you here. Okay, everything I'm teaching you here, make sure you pay attention to them. Okay, so that you can get perfect results. So you are going to type generate an ultra hyper realistic image of a Nigeria young man wearing green suit. Okay, this one I'm doing here, this is called prompt. I'm typing out the prompt we are going to use to generate the kind of image we want. Okay, now